Good morning, everybody. It is another stormy day down here in Oklahoma. Got snow blowing in this morning, heavy wind, so we made a pretty good run in the boat. Scouted all afternoon yesterday, and this cove was pretty well loaded by sunset. I must have watched, I don't know, 1,000 ducks pour in here throughout the last couple hours of the day. And just a cool little spot here, a bunch of submerged logs and stuff like that, which really helped to break up that wind, or break up those waves. I think the waves are coming across the south end of the lake, and they're pretty big right on the edge of these logs, but by the time you get back here, it's broken them up half decent. Still probably rolling 6 inches or something like that. I did leave Leroy at home. He had a little bit of a limp after yesterday, so we got Wade out here, and I better be quiet because we got ducks absolutely everywhere. First greenhead of the morning. Did it damn near perfect. Old man Wade loves to take his time.
Come on, man.
Gets the birds though.
Good boy.
Oh yeah, that might be.
He's a hammer.
Yeah, that's a big old bird. Mergs. Oh yeah. Seeing us already. It's a greenhead. That's what I get for talking trash.
Got some pep in the step on that one.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
There was that top, whatever that top bird is albino. Whatever that top bird was 100%, unless it was a short bird.
Wade. Here. Here. Are you sure?
Yeah, 100%. Unless it was a shorebird, it was white. It was 2 blackbirds and a white bird flying together. And they all had the same wing beat. I'm pretty sure they were mergs. I think it was an albino merg. That ain't mine.
Oh, yeah, that's right. All right.
Well, Drew's got, oh, still alive. Finish him off, Drew. Drew's got 2 mallards. They're working in pretty good. I don't know how long this cover's gonna work though. They're circling a little high, so I think we're gonna need to either try to build a stick blind or find us some taller grass here before too long. But for the next few minutes, it should keep working.
Yeah, they really want to be on the outside of this.
Yeah. Weary birds. We'll get them. Just gotta be patient.
Spoonie. Back one's really pretty, Chase. Nice shot. That's a beautiful drake.
High migrators right there. Yeah, that was a nice one. Good stuff, Chase. Come on, Wiggles, you got him. How nice is he, Chase?
Pretty nice.
Little bit of brown still on him.
Thomas is going to end up, quote unquote, shooting a white murg, and it is going to be a regular murg.
Yeah, I know. If that thing comes in, I damn sure would shoot it. If it really is white. Come on, white murg.
Thomas, those are just regular.
No, I know. Those ones are regular. Oh, right here. Low. Spoonies. There's a nice one.
Oh, it's still alive?
No, it's dying. I had to have hit it hard. Finally on the board. How nice is he?
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's about.
Come on. About 3/4.
Yep. Gosh, they're such a small bird. They look so big coming in.
Bottom one's the drake.
Might actually work us. Back one's the drake, Chase.
Take him over our head.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we need more cover already. Might as well build us a good stick blind. We got time. Here, not. I don't think like that, Chase. I think we gotta go like this. I guess we'll probably have to hop in from the back.
Yeah.
It's gonna be about the only way. All right, we need more sticks and then we need grass.
These mallards want it.
They coming in?
Probably just off. Yeah.
Just spent probably 30 to 45 minutes building a stick blind here. That hide just wasn't gonna work and we got migrators rolling in from every direction right now. So seemed like it was worth the effort to spend the time building up our hide. I think that should work pretty good. Might need just a hair more top cover, but there's seen a couple giant flocks within the last couple minutes. So we're gonna hop in, see if we can't get a few. If we gotta cut a little more brush, we'll do that. But pretty good little stick blind here. That's how it always goes. Doing something like building a blind, birds are just steady rolling. As soon as you sit down, they stop.
Yeah, that is.
There's 5 big ducks out front. There's more pintails.
Those look like.
Oh, they can't pick it up.
I don't know what they are.
Here up top.
Teal and kill that greenhead and teal.
Alright.
I don't think I hit.
Greenhead's dead in the decoys.
Can someone run out and get my teal over here?
Yeah. Good boy, Wade, good. Hey, that was a hell of a retrieve. Leave it. Good boy, Wade, thank you. Leave it. Another pretty good sized greenhead there. Say some birds from Kansas are probably rolling in today.
You think it has more to do with their food being inaccessible and water being inaccessible?
I don't know. I think it's a lot of things. I think it could be pressure, it could be barometric pressure dropping, yeah, I mean, when their food gets covered, obviously. But I mean, the storm's moving up from the south. It's not what you would consider to be a big migration storm, but I think they just have a sense about it. You know, I think they know that that snow's coming in and they're gonna push it. Some of them are gonna push ahead of it. And that had to be what we were seeing at first light. 2 outside. Back one's the drake. Front one's the drake now. Wait. Alright, kill him. Shoot. Gotta hop out there.
I don't know who got that one.
Yeah, he is dead somehow. Alright, I'm gonna hop out and change some decoys around while he's grabbing that. He might get him. Come on, Wade. You can get him. Come on, Wade. Good boy, Wade. Good boy. Nice retrieve from Wade there. Decoys are getting a little messed up with this wind. I don't have the keel weights in these heyday widgeons, so they're pretty likely to flip over, and they're just kind of all getting spread out. We had a pretty clear pocket here, so I think I'm gonna try to collect some of them and move them a little closer to shore. Another nice old greenhead. Not sure if Chase or Drew or I got it, so I'm just gonna claim him. I felt like I was on him. Need more of them birds coming from the north. Those have been the most responsive birds we've seen. Most of the ones that have come from out over the lake have come and given us a look and then gone and landed out in the middle.
Need them ones sneaking over our left shoulder.
Yep.
Right here.
2 drakes, right? Is the back one a drake?
No, front one. Can I get it?
Trying to move.
Yeah, if you got a shoot.
Hey, bird!
Got 3 more.
Better shoot. Kill them both. Just shoot both. Oh no.
I need to get him on her.
Yep.
Wait, here.
Snow's just starting to lighten up. I think I was halfway through saying that snow's lightening up, and wouldn't be surprised if some birds started flying again. It's really just been spoonies for the past half hour. Sure enough, old pair of mallards snuck into the decoys. This is what the spread looks like now. Just trying to leave the left side of this pocket open because they've been coming right over looking, and then they'll go land up there anywhere from 50 to 100 yards. So hopefully by keeping this more open, they'll either try to land here or right up in here. That's a nice mallard. Good boy, leave it. Wade. That mallard is absolutely stuffed full of acorns. They gotta be acorns. Yep, sure enough, stuffed full of acorns. I mean, you couldn't fit another one in his crawl. It'd be interesting to see if this hen has them in her too. I don't know where the hell they're getting acorns right now. Oh, she doesn't. Yeah, she has a few, but feel him. Yep. Maybe they must have come from that creek up there.
Alright, I got my Susie out of the way for the trip, Thomas.
Alright, I'm glad. If that was a good Susie to kill if we were going to kill one. What is out in front of us? Oh, that's spoony.
We can't leave her lonely.
No. Especially if she's acorn fed.
Yeah, should be good. Off the front yet?
Oh, out front. Off the left. 11 o'clock. Alright, let's shoot these close ones. Alright, kill him.
I finished him, whoever hit him. One of y'all hit that one that I just
Yeah, I'd shot him right at the same time again.
Okay, good.
I'm pretty sure I doubled there unless you want to claim one of them.
I was just finishing him off from I knew he was hit the first shot.
You can take one of them.
But wait, did you drop 2?
Yeah.
Did you get one? Oh, Drew.
Nope. Was it?
Then I'll take one, I guess.
All right.
So I was pretty sure I was dead on him on the cleanup anyway.
Yep.
Wait.
Your gun single shot?
Oh yeah.
I'm surprised mine didn't.
Yours didn't.
That was pretty cool. Finally, some bigger flock did it right.
Good boy.
Come on, Wade. Good man. Was it 2 drakes and 2 hens, or was it 3 drakes in there?
3 drakes.
I shot my lane. Hey, good boy, Wade. Well, Chase got him one. Nothing on that one's craw. I got one out here. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Northern mallards. You can tell because he has 3 curls. And he only drinks Bush Light. Good boy. Little guy here. That's a baby greenhead.
Southern mallard.
Yeah.
Come get in your spot.
So you got 5, I got 4. Drew, what do you got? 3?
Wait, look. Here.
2/3 of a pack a day. But probably like 20 to 21.
You didn't have enough risk factors going on. You had to add one more. Oh, on the left. Kill that one, Drew.
Oh.
Shoot him again. Shoot him again.
He can't.
Oh.
Okay, you want to shoot my gun? Thomas's one. Well, I guess mine. I have one more bird.
Spoonies. Maybe not. No mallard. 2 drakes. Kill him.
Oh shit.
Oh man, my gun's single shotted. Dead bird. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. I think I might try busting some of the snow off these decoys. Started snowing real hard again for about the past hour. Hasn't been a ton flying. You know, saw that one big flock, and then now it's starting to taper off again. And they just aren't really working us right. Want to go keep landing out here, so maybe that's just the spot they want to be, but I'm at least going to try knocking the snow off some of these decoys and see if that won't help a little bit. Good man. That looks better.
Oh, there we go.
Low one, there's one in the decoys on your left. That one's ugly.
Chase, does your gun not have a bead on it?
Nope. Dead enough. Come here.
Spoonies in the snow.
Is that a hen or ugly drake?
I don't know.
I don't care.
The harder it snows, the better the spoonies fly, and then the less everything else flies. I think we just need about 10 mallards to actually do it. Oh, single out front coming in. Teal, bunch of teal. Let's finish here. Wait. I gotta get my gun off. All right, you kill the ones on the left. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Left.
I couldn't see him.
You get one, Thomas?
I killed 2 with 1 shot.
I couldn't see him.
Old Mr. Wade with the double retrieve. I think a little flock of 5 teal came buzzing in. Finished perfect. Don't know why the mallards won't do that.
I couldn't see him. I couldn't look at the blind. I couldn't see him.
I was trying to be nice and let Drew have the 3 on the left, and unfortunately 2 for me, none for Drew. So I don't know how much longer we're gonna give this. Drew's pretty cold. I know I'm a little chilly. Chase has got to be a little chilly, but it's beautiful out here. There's plenty of ducks around. Just can't quite get the mallards to finish. At least the big flocks.
Go get some chicken. Come here.
Oh, what's your dad got for you? Chickens? He's like, heck yeah.
Got me. I got some treat.
Well, there we go. 2 little Drake green wings to finish off my day. That's gonna be a wrap on this one. Just a little bit after noon right now, and flight has really slowed down in the last hour. Pretty surprising to me, you know, given that it's still snowing. I know there's quite a few birds around, but wherever they're at right now, they've hunkered in pretty good, I would say. The main movement we saw today, and this has held true for most of the snowy duck hunts or storm duck hunts I've ever gone on, it was the hour before the snow started. There was so much migration going on. It was pretty wild to see. Of course, that's right when we were building our stick blind here, so missed out on that, unfortunately. You know, live and learn, get here a little earlier, build the hide before shooting time. We just kind of thought there'd be a little bit thicker Phragmites right here. We had glassed this yesterday from pretty far out, so it was just hard to tell exactly how much cover we had. But I think the stick blind is kind of the highlight of the day for me. I love building little stick blinds like this, and I think this thing worked really well. I think if we had been trying to hide in this frag here, especially with the snow on the ground, we'd have just been getting picked out. Moving the decoys around seemed to make a big difference too. You know, opening up that pocket on the outside seemed to really help with them decoying. We just weren't quite on the X today. You know, birds wanted to be 150 yards down there, but we would have had the wind smack in our face there. So seemed like making the adjustments here really did pay off, and just a fun mixed bag hunt. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. If you have any questions about the hunt, leave in the comment section down below. Hope everybody out there staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching.